What's up, guys? Welcome back. Haven't drawn Neymar in a while. Thought I'd draw the young version for Santos when he was starting out, just a young footballer, just a wee lad. So let's draw this mohawk landscape page. Pencil eraser, hit pause. If we go too fast, I'm going to start his eyes. So portrait, standard human eye shape. We go up, over, down. Kind of a little shadow in here in the corner for the eyelashes. And then we'll bring his eye across, very small eyes, like that. And then his tear ducts just in there. He's kind of squinting a bit. So his iris just circles down this way. Back up. And then his pupil just here in the middle. We've got an eyelid line on top, very close to his eyelashes, down the back. And then we get some eyelashes on the bottom. Just a little sort of edge line there. And then above that, his eyebrow. So quick big eyebrows, just curving down above the eye. Then quite large just down that way. He's kind of frowning a bit, so there's like some frowns on his forehead here. Like some bags under his eyes a little bit. Do the same thing pretty much on the other side, kind of like a mirror image. So we just go over. You can fit an eye in between his tear ducts. So the distance, so if you measured his eye, come over that much, that'll give you the spacing. So you go over the top then again, down, curve it in. Bring the eyelid line underneath then. And then his eye going this way. And then a pupil in the middle again. Pretty small pupil. Just a dot basically. So we add eyelid lines and eyebrow. So eyelid line again, very, very close to his eyelashes. So coming up and over, like touching the eyelashes nearly down the back. And then we do have some eyelashes down here, just like a little sort of dot and dash sort of situation down there. And like the bridge of his nose kind of flies out this way a bit. He's got like some like bags under his eyes and stuff. And then his eyebrow, so frowning kind of heavily. This one's kind of arched more than the other one. And again, a bit of a frown line just here. So he's got one of those breathing tapes on his nose, right? So we can just see kind of the bridge of his nose there. Very sort of angled bridge on his nose. And then this sticky tape, right, comes right across his nose. This was like a trend that died out. This sort of stuff. Do players still do this? There was some weird science that said if you put tape on your nose, you breathe better. Okay, and it kind of, so it's coming around his nostrils. So we have the side of his nose there and there, and then the middle part. So comes down, dips in the middle, back around, up over to the other side, just there. Might be like some little sort of suggestions of the bridge of his nose and stuff there. So his mouth, so he's kind of smiling, not like he's looking kind of serious maybe. So the edges of his mouth are like here and here. And we kind of like curve up. And then it goes down for the middle part of his lip. And then down and up again. His mouth is kind of just coming down, yeah, to about there, I'd say. Got like a dimple in the corner of his mouth. And then his top lip, pretty big. And then the bottom lip. And he's got like a little line for his chin there as well. So his chin, so we go that way. And proportions, you know, of the human face, there to there is about the same as there to there. So like eyebrow, depends. Sometimes it's eye, but in this case, eyebrow to nostrils, and then nostrils to chin, they're the same. And then nostrils to the bottom lip is about the same as bottom lip to chin. So that's halfway between here and here, and this is halfway between here and here. So we go for his jaw. Kind of dips in, very thin face, right? So it kind of goes in and then out for the jaw again. And then comes up. He's got big sideburns on the side of his face here. So like the sideburns and his cheek, so they're like sitting on his cheekbone. So his cheekbone's like that. Very, very slender sort of. And this is like his sideburn of his hair. So just goes this way. Okay, so his ear pops out here. The other ear this way. Big ear lobes. Funny, larger on the bottom than on the top. I think mine are the opposite. Some ear lines then inside. Do 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 do. So just like side of his face and stuff. Okay, so his hairline then, so we got like all these big spikes that come down, so the hairline just goes like, it's kind of curly, but kind of not curly at the same time. But we'll go spiky, I think. And then he does have like some frown lines that come across, you know, his forehead, these sort of skin lines here. And then I guess we got to do this big spiky mohawk that he has. So lots of hair spikes now. It's very long on top. So this part comes down and then that part goes up. So there's a change. So we got some hair spikes coming down here. Maybe we could see some more hairline just kind of underneath it a little bit. So, like, then it goes kind of up this way on the sides, right? So it's kind of tricky now. So it kind of goes up this way. It's what a wild haircut. He's a brave man. Okay, and like it's kind of flat along the top, like tiny little spikes along the top. It's kind of crazy like that. That is what it looks like. So we go down, and then his hair is shaved at the sides. So it's a little bit long, but not like majorly. Like so. Alright, so his neck. That way. Adam's apple sort of there. Another neck muscle that way. Then we get the Santos black and white jersey. So curves around. We get a black section in here. Then his shoulders just go, well, there's a collar, like another piece of the collar there first. And here as well. And then his shoulder will go off this way. Hands are behind his back. So the shoulders are kind of tucked in a bit. And then, so, like shoulder line going there. There's another sort of a collar line here. And we have those two red boxes, right, for Santos. So it says Sierra on it, I think. And you can do the lettering if you want. You don't have to, you can just color them red. If you want to keep it simple. Yeah, I think I'll leave it. There's no need to do. You could write Sierra there if you wanted, of course, but I don't think there's any need. You could just color it red and maybe those yellow stripes if you want. All right, young Neymar, Santos. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.